A few weeks ago, I needed to replace the tires on my Tesla. I went back to the same technician I have been talking to throughout this series and asked him a straightforward question. Not which tires look best on paper, or which ones have the best marketing behind them. I asked him which brands he actually sees holding up long-term on Teslas, and which ones come back into his shop worn out way ahead of schedule. He said most owners have no idea how much the wrong tire choice costs them over the life of the car. Not just in replacement costs, but in range loss, handling degradation, and uneven wear that starts affecting the suspension. Here are the 5 brands he actually recommends, and 1 category he tells every owner to avoid. The first brand, and the one he recommends most consistently across every Tesla model, is Michelin. Specifically, 2 tires, depending on what you prioritize. The Michelin CrossClimate 2 for owners who want a single tire they can run year-round without thinking about it, and the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S for long range and performance owners who want the best dry and wet handling available. The CrossClimate 2 is the tire he sees come back into his shop least often with premature wear complaints. It carries the 3 Peak Mountain Snowflake rating, which means it is certified for severe winter weather, but it also performs well in dry and wet conditions across 3 seasons. For Tesla owners, it has another specific advantage. Its rolling resistance is low enough that most owners report minimal range impact compared to OEM tires. Owners who switched to CrossClimate 2 on their Teslas report little to no noticeable range reduction, which matters on a car where every mile of range costs you money at purchase. The Pilot Sport 4S sits at the other end of the spectrum. It is a summer performance tire designed for owners who prioritize handling and grip over all-season versatility. Its low rolling resistance helps maintain the vehicle's range while offering exceptional handling and grip, which makes it a strong fit for performance model owners who want to use the car the way it was designed to be driven. The technician's caveat is straightforward. If you live somewhere with real winters, the Pilot Sport 4S is not your tire. It is a warm weather tire, and it performs accordingly in cold conditions. Michelin tires run $200 to $280 per tire, depending on the model and size. A full set is a real investment. But the technician's position on this is consistent. He sees Michelin tires outlasting cheaper alternatives by 20,000 to 30,000 miles on Teslas regularly, and on a car that destroys tires faster than most gas vehicles because of instant torque. That longevity difference is worth more than the price gap. The second brand is Hankook, specifically the Ion Evo AS, and this one carries a particular credibility point that matters. Tesla chose the Hankook Ventus S1 AST0 as original equipment on the 2024 Model 3 Long Range AWD. When Tesla's own engineers pick a tire for their car, that is a meaningful signal about how the tire performs in real-world EV conditions. The Ion Evo AS is an EV-specific design, meaning Hankook engineered it specifically for the weight, torque delivery, and regenerative braking characteristics of electric vehicles rather than adapting an existing gas car tire. In practice, this means the tire handles Tesla's instant torque delivery better than most alternatives, which directly affects how evenly it wears over time. Owners who switched to the Hankook Ion EVO report the tires are quieter, more comfortable, and show slightly better efficiency compared to other options, with around 1% less battery consumption per trip. The technician sees these tires perform consistently well across Model 3 and Model Y applications. His specific note is that the Ion Evo AS is one of the best value picks on the list. It costs less than Michelin, performs close to it in real-world Tesla ownership conditions, and the EV-specific engineering means it is not compromising on the characteristics that matter most for these cars. Expect to pay around $180 to $220 per tire, depending on size. Third is Continental, And the specific tire he recommends here is the Extreme Contact DWS06 Plus. DWS stands for dry, wet, and snow, which tells you immediately what this tire is designed to do. It blends dry and wet road performance with wintertime slush and snow traction, making it a genuine all-condition tire rather than a compromised all-season option. The reason the technician recommends Continental specifically for Tesla owners in rainy or variable climates is wet braking performance. In Consumer Reports testing of tires specifically on Tesla vehicles, wet braking and hydroplaning resistance were among the most important differentiators between tire brands. Continental's wet weather engineering is among the best available at this price point. And for a car as heavy as a Tesla, wet braking distance matters more than it does on a lighter gas vehicle. Continental's all-season tires provide reliable traction in both wet and dry conditions, while maintaining the energy efficiency needed to protect battery range. That last point matters specifically for Tesla owners, because rolling resistance directly translates to range. A tire that increases rolling resistance by even a small percentage costs you real miles every single day. Continental manages to balance wet weather performance with low enough rolling resistance that owners rarely report meaningful range impact after switching. Price per tire runs around $170 to $230 depending on size. The technician considers Continental the strongest recommendation for owners in the Pacific Northwest, the Midwest, or anywhere that sees significant rainfall throughout the year. Fourth is Pirelli, specifically the P Zero Elect. And this is the tire he recommends most strongly for long-range and performance Model 3 and Model S owners who are focused on protecting range. The Elect designation matters here. The Pirelli P Zero EV has better range than the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, which is a meaningful finding because the Pilot Sport 4S is already considered a low rolling resistance performance tire. When a tire specifically engineered for EVs outperforms a top-tier performance tire on range, the EV-specific engineering is doing real work. The P Zero Elect was developed specifically for electric vehicles with high torque output, meaning the compound and construction are designed to handle the aggressive torque delivery that wears standard tires unevenly on Teslas. The technician sees this translate directly into more even tread wear compared to non-EV specific Pirelli tires on the same cars, which means the tires last longer even under performance driving conditions. His caveat for Pirelli is the same as Michelin's Pilot Sport 4S. The P Zero Elect is primarily a performance tire, and it is not designed for serious winter conditions. If you are in a cold climate and you are putting Pirelli P Zero Elects on your Tesla as a year-round tire, you are using the wrong tool for your conditions. But if you are in a warm to moderate climate and you want the best combination of range protection and performance handling available, the P Zero Elect is the technician's pick in this category. Expect to pay $220 to $290 per tire. And fifth is Bridgestone, specifically the Turanza EV. And this is the one he describes as the best value pick on the entire list for owners who want EV-specific engineering without paying Michelin prices. Consumer Reports included the Bridgestone Turanza EV in their EV tire evaluation alongside tires from Hankook, Pirelli, and Yokohama, which tells you it belongs in the conversation with the top-tier options. The Turanza EV is Bridgestone's dedicated electric vehicle tire line, engineered specifically for the weight and torque characteristics of EVs. The technician started seeing these come through his shop more frequently in the past year, as more owners moved away from standard all-season tires toward EV-specific options. His early observations on wear patterns and performance are positive. The tread compound handles Tesla's instant torque delivery, without the uneven wear he sees on standard all-season tires that were not designed with EV torque in mind. Bridgestone is one of Tesla's own trusted tire manufacturing partners, which means the brand has a direct relationship with Tesla's engineering team. and an understanding of what these cars demand from their tires. For owners who want EV-specific engineering at a price point roughly 15% to 20% below Michelin, the Tourança EV is where the technician points them. Expect to pay around $170 to $210 per tire. Now, here is the category he told me to warn every Tesla owner about. Generic all-season tires that are not rated for EV use and are not XL load rated. More than 30% of EV owners who replaced their tires told Consumer Reports they replaced them sooner than expected, with more than half replacing at or before 30,000 miles. The technician's experience matches that data exactly. The owners who come back with premature tire wear complaints almost always have standard all-season tires from budget brands that were not designed for EV weight and torque. Consumer Reports, a Tesla Model Y weighs around 4,400 pounds. A comparable gas SUV weighs around 3,800 pounds. That 600-pound difference, combined with instant torque delivery at every acceleration, destroys tires that were not engineered to handle it. XL load rating on a tire means it was built for extra load capacity. It is not optional on a Tesla. It is the minimum specification you should be looking for on any replacement tire regardless of brand. The technician's final point was one worth repeating. On a Tesla specifically, cheap tires are more expensive than good tires over time. A $120 per tire budget option that lasts 25,000 miles costs more per mile than a $220 Hankook Ion Evo that lasts 50,000 miles. And that calculation does not even include the range you lose every single day from higher rolling resistance. Buy the right tire once, and it pays for itself. If you have a tire brand or specific model that has worked well on your Tesla, drop it in the comments along with your model and mileage. I want to build a real-world database from this audience because the more data points we have, the better the recommendations get. And if you want to keep getting practical advice like this, hit subscribe. I will see you in the next one.